How to measure and install a SecureView security sliding door to an OX Wunderlich door. Wunderlich ceased manufacture of aluminium windows and doors in Australia, I think sometime late 20th century. If anyone knows when, please comment. Like many of the original aluminium window and door designs, they did not consider security doors at all. Why? Because the modern security door we sell today had yet to be invented. This means that installing a security door to one of these older doors requires custom tracks and channels. We need to install a head track and side jamb where one doesn't exist now. For the head and receiver side, a 19x19 box build-out is the best option. Measuring from the edges of the brick for the head is 2,410mm. When we install this, we'll pre-drill 4mm holes through and a 10mm to the face to suit our 10mm hole cover caps. Measuring for the receiver side 19x19 build-out is done from the sill to the bottom edge of the head. This measurement is 2,024mm. A 25x25 receiver side box may have lined up better with the head build-out, but it pushes the lock receiver channel over another 6mm. This may not seem much, but it is when someone is trying to access the glass door lock from outside. Measure and install the head track. Measure the 25x25 sliding door top channel to fit under the 19x19 box build-out. Measurement is 2,370mm. Install this so the sliding door will be close, but not touching the back interlock. Measure and install the receiver U-channel, and install it to the 19x19 box build-out. Make sure your screw positions are evenly spaced, but not where the sliding door lock strikers are. Feel free to lift the door into the tracks and slide it across to make sure it's aligning with the receiver U-channel perfectly. This 25x20 also needs a cutout in the center at the bottom. For the door measurements, measure the width from the receiver channel to the back edge of the glass door mullion. This measurement is 1,192mm. There are a number of back interlocks available in our portal, but in this case, a flat interlock works best. So we'll add 10mm to our measured size for a security door manufacturing size of 1,202mm. Measure the sliding door drop from the bottom pip track to the bottom edge of the 19x19 head build-out you installed. If you've installed this build-out properly, the drop dimension should be equal all along the track. Our measurement is 2,010mm all the way along. Good job. Deduct 8mm for the pip track in the 25x25 U-channel, 12mm for the door's top and bottom wheels, and another 2mm for any out of square that is most likely going to appear as soon as we sit the door on the tracks. The drop manufacture size will be 1,988mm. Note, don't forget to note the lock side and lock height, making the security door lock above the glass door lock. Install the door, attaching the top guides to the top of the sliding door. Lift the door into place and adjust the wheels to square the door. Attach strikers to the lock and engage. Peel the tape off the strikers and close the door. Fix off the strikers in the receiver jamb. With the door in a closed position, mark the back edge of the door frame on the mullion and install the flat interlock with pop rivets. Reinstall the door and cut a sliding door F interlock to size before fixing it to the back edge of the security door. Measure bug strip, cut to size and attach to the bottom in a closed position. There you go. Another Starline Security video. To become a Starline Security dealer, access our website www.starlinesecurity.net.au.